Hey, good morning, everybody. It's bee day again. Hallelujah. Like we're fixing to turn spring. So we've got a couple things going on right here. I've already made one split right here out of a super good strong hive that came out of winter. And then this, of course, is our new NUCs that we got. These are overwinter NUCs from my buddy Ray Clivett's over at Mountain Sweet Honey. And if you guys want to get into beekeeping, he is the man. I can tell you this. I mean, he's forgotten more about bees than I'll probably ever know. So we're getting our smoker going right here. Get a little smoke going. We want to calm these bees down best we can. This gives them a little chance to calm. Smoke gets in their eyes a little bit, but this will give you an idea of what a NUC looks like. This is an overwintered NUC. Okay, so we'll get them a little smoke going, just calm them down a little bit. You see it's 5 slats. That's the standard. No need to find the queen in this situation right here. She's in here mated, right? But what we want to do is we want to take these and start just putting them in to a regular hive body. Okay, beautiful stuff. Ray always has really good stuff. Look at that brood right there, ready to hatch. Big, beautiful bees. Don't drop it, Mike.